And the SPY went to our support exactly and jump as we expected from the last video, and the other stocks is jumping right now. The energy sector is bumping as well. Let's get right to it and see opportunity for many stocks that we're gonna discuss today. Where do you buy, where do you sell, all the things you need to make some profit. So let's get right to it. First, let's go to the SPY. We talked about even in our live streaming last week. 404 was a nice dip, and what we said, this will mark a reversal for many stock if the SPY visited this area. If we go here, Nvidia and Tesla is jumping because as well for Nvidia we hunted for the 180 and the price when gravitated near our support, you see what happened, accumulation, and the price went up. For Tesla as well, we have bought back around the 800 as we expected, and we have just one resistance left to overcome for Tesla to go in bullish momentum and break this descending channel. You see, this will be a breaking for all-time high for Tesla if we first overcome the 974. Let me go to Amazon. Is have a big buying pressure near the 2200. As we said, in this box we're gonna have a big buying pressure for Amazon, even though the price went down because the bad earning last time we have, you see, bad earning and bad revenue. However, price value for Amazon should be around the 2200 and the 2000 mark. This will be a really nice to average down in the long run for Amazon. And again, we have a good announcement here on Momo. You have 12 hours just to get your Amazon free share on Momo. Yes, you guessed it, a free share for Amazon. If you join with my link in comment section below, there is a 5 free stocks, actually, not just Amazon. Amazon will be one of them. You can open an account and get even $3 just by opening an account. So it's really simple, just a few minutes or even less to open an account on Momo. Zero commission for US resident trading US stocks. So you can get it with my exclusive link for our hunters in comment section below. Let me go to the other list. ATER is still holding our ascending line that we talked about yesterday. What we expect, yes, a big explosion if we overcome the $5.80. This will happen this week. If we just overcome the $5.80, we're gonna have a test first around the $6.90 before the $7. Next up, we have impp. So for impp, we have 2% up. In order to see the price overcome this ascending channel, the moment that we do that and hold the 0.85, impp will have explosion around the $1.10. Right now it's still bearish for impp. Let me just go to Lux Algo Premium and Tracer and Trend Catcher. Just see what's happening. You see, we have last time we get this strong signal for sell, and the 2 line of red is still there. So right now we need another buy or strong buy will happen around the 0.85, and those 2 red line should turn to green to confirm the reversal from Lux Algo Premium. 85 should be the bottom right now for impp. That's why you see accumulation for impp. AEI is jumping 12%. We talk about this massive breakout that happened around the 18th of April, where marked AEI trending down on entering bearish momentum. Right now is still in bearish momentum. This will be a turning point around the 0.48 for AEI. 0.48 will be mark for a bullish trend continuation. Because if we got rejected here, the price will continue to go around the 0.32. Just be careful. This will happen pretty soon for this week. This time we need to overcome the 0.48 in order to go around the 0.59, where we continue in bullish trend for AEI. Let me just take this off. The next up we have, let me go back, RDBX or Red Box Entertainment. We did the video yesterday, and we said we need to hold 4-hour candle above the $9. And guess what? We have 2 wick. And the price then went down because we didn't close above the $9. Precisely, we closed around the $8.98, and then today jumped down. So what we should expect right now, we have our execution average here, and if we go to Lux Algo again and use Lux Oscillator Premium, you can see it here is still in green, and the last time we bounced from the oversold territory here on Lux Oscillator Premium, it was around the 20th of April when the price parabolically go up. So this is good to give us indication for reversal from a Lux Oscillator Premium before the jump up. So always make my confirmation, not just support and resistance, to confirm more where the price will jump before the massive institution will buy. So right now what we should expect, we need to hold at least above the $5. The $5 will be the mark for everything for red box if we gonna have another jump. So if we hold the $5.12 is not a sell-off, it means price accumulation to retest the $9, then we're gonna have the price test around the 15 and the 17. So this will mark a bullish trend continuation if we hold above the $5 for the few days. Retest the $9. CEI is still in this box. We have a test rejection and test and rejection twice, one around the 23rd of March and the other on the mid of April last month. And you can look here, we have another support, to bottom to top, and the price is still consolidating down. So this is a consolidation area. You know why? Because there's a massive selling pressure happening for CI around the $1 and massive selling pressure happening around the 0.70. That's why the price is still in anticipation mode before the fundamental news, because we have a deadline for the 10K around the 20, I believe, in May. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. So the idea right now, we have just few days or 2 weeks at least to have announcement from CEO of CI to confirm the 10K, and if we have a good news, we might see the price overcome this time and gap above the $1. So in the next stop, we have CENN held above the ascending line, and perfectly, see, every time we bounce from this ascending line, we see a buying pressure. And we talked about last time and our live streaming, and we said we need to hold above this ascending line and never go below. Today we did 10% because we accumulate, and the price right now jumping up. So we expected to test the gap here around the $1.70, $1.80. And if we get rejected, we need to hold above the $1.70 in order to confirm a retest for the $2.17. This will be a bullish area if we overcome it and close above it. Lastly, we have LKCO. As we said before, we're gonna have a retest for the support around the 0.52, and guess what, we have a really nice wick from the last video when the price went up. Today a retest for the support, and we have a wick confirmation for a lot of buying pressure. So the 0.52 holding above it will confirm that we're still doing higher lows, and the price will retest eventually and close above the 0.62, will initiate the bullish momentum for LKCO. Hopefully that was clear. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below, and let's get ready to hunt. See you in the next update.